Why did the early Pauline Christians, including the gospel writers, claim that James was an unbeliever during the life of Jesus? Well, the claims of Paul in his epistles were highly influential. In his famous, quote, creed, Paul said that the resurrected Jesus appeared to Cephas, right? Then the 12, i.e. the disciples, then 500, then James, and then to me. Paul knows that he himself is a, what do you call them? Johnny-come-lately, right? That he wasn't a disciple. But notice where Paul places James, at the end, just before himself. It doesn't seem to me that Paul is giving deference to James. It seems to me that Paul is putting himself on par with James. But then he goes even further and he says, but by the grace of God, I am what I am, and his grace toward me has not been in vain. On the contrary, I worked harder than any of them. 1 Corinthians 15:10. Paul claims to be better.
But Paul is sorry, just highlight the obvious here, that Paul is great at boasting about his ministry, boasting about his gospel, boasting about his career, which sits very ill with the kind of humble kind of follower of Jesus that we would expect, I think.
Right. Yeah. So let's examine what Paul wrote to the Galatians at the beginning of chapter 3 of his epistle. This is key for our present discussion. Paul severely reprimanded the Galatians for allowing themselves to be swayed or bewitched, according to Paul, by the Jerusalem apostles sent from James, i.e. Nazarenes, into believing a different gospel than his own. So Paul wrote, "O foolish Galatians, who has bewitched you that you should not obey the truth? Before your very eyes, Jesus Christ was clearly portrayed as crucified." So this verse is usually overlooked or interpreted in a very basic sense without really analyzing its potentially explosive significance. The standard meaning is that the Galatians were convinced by Paul's opponents that the crucifixion of Jesus did not free them from the obligations of the Jewish law. However, the wording of the verse, as well as its overall context, may suggest that Paul's opponents who arrived in Galatia after Paul's initial visit not only advocated adherence to Jewish law, but also disagreed with Paul's very portrayal of Jesus being crucified, that they repudiated the cross altogether, and that Paul himself was the source of the crucified Jesus Christ. It was as if Paul was saying, why do you now maintain that Jesus was not crucified? Didn't I convince you that he was? Didn't I portray, prographo in Greek, didn't I portray him as crucified? It appears that Paul's apostolic opponents also visited Corinth in his wake, right? In his second letter to the Corinthians, he cautioned his congregation to not let their minds be corrupted by accepting Alan Ieson, another Jesus. Then Paul went on to reveal that his opponents, whom he mockingly referred to as super apostles, were of Jewish descent, right? So he says, are they Hebrews? So am I. Are they Israelites? So am I. Are they descendants of Abraham? So am I. Are they ministers of Christ? And then he says, I sound like a fool, but I served him more. Paul then provided a laundry list of his alleged sufferings for the sake of Christ, which included being beaten, stoned, flogged, shipwrecked, as well as a daring escape from the grip of the governor of Damascus by being lowered in a basket through a window. I mean, this was supposed to convince his audience that he was truly sincere and more worthy of respect than his opponents, who had actual teaching authority from James. So it is very plausible that the subtext of the book of Galatians is that apostles from James who went to Galatia repudiated the cross altogether and condemned Paul for teaching a false gospel. Where are the writings of James and Peter teaching that Jesus was crucified and resurrected? Where? Elsewhere in Galatians, Paul told us that he noticed that during his first trip to Jerusalem, he says there were many churches in Christ sprawled across Judea. Where are the writings of these churches that speak of Jesus' crucifixion and resurrection? Where? Perhaps there were writings, but the crucifixion was nowhere. Why is it that the first believer in Jesus' messiahship to claim that Jesus was crucified in recorded history was Paul, a man who admittedly persecuted Jesus' disciples before his Damascus Road conversion and slandered and ridiculed them after?